This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and tools are ready. Plug the phone into power and open iTunes or Finder on your computer. Once done, perform the correct force restart for your model. For iPhone 8 and newer, press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then hold side until the Apple logo changes. For older models, use the home plus side or home plus top combos. This clears minor boot loops and often forces the system to reload basic firmware, so make sure to hold the buttons firmly. Once the force restart didn't fix it, enter recovery mode while connected to the computer. Follow the same button sequences, but keep holding until the recovery screen appears. In iTunes or Finder, you'll see options to update or restore. Select Update first because it reinstalls iOS without wiping your data. This downloads the firmware and attempts a repair. Allow time for the download and install. If Update fails or errors out, that indicates deeper software corruption, and you'll need to move to Restore or DFU next. If Recovery Mode's update doesn't work, you must restore. Accept that this erases the device, then follow on-screen prompts to reinstall a fresh iOS. If Restore also fails, enter DFU mode for a deeper firmware reload. This requires precise timing of button presses, and only use DFU when Restore cannot complete. After DFU or Restore finishes, set up the phone or restore a backup. If any step errors repeatedly or the phone won't enter modes, suspect hardware problems and take the device for professional diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.